Gĩkũyũ Council of Elders and Kĩama now state as follows. State House grounds belong to the people of the nation of Kenya, of whom Gĩkũyũ Council and Kĩama and other councils belong. They are part of the people of Kenya. They have a right to visit State House just like any other delegation of the communities of Kenya that have visited State House in the past without a query. A similar institution is the Deputy President's residence in Karen, which has received many delegations, even from his own Kalenjin community, without a voice being raised against them. It worries us that the person or a person of the stature of the Deputy President of Kenya can come or stoop this low to address matters of such magnitude to elders of the Gĩkũyũ community. The delegation of elders had a right to raise and discuss with the President issues that were of concern to them.